Hello people. My name is Thomas Tovek Mosula, and today it will be presenting on the topic of engineer and the electric motor that is making are fundamental to our modern world. Convert energy into motion that the power that the power that power everything from all cars to industrial equipment. With the both engine and the electric motors service the same basic foundation of the producer mechanical motion they apparent or various difference principles. Engineer typicals as the combustion of fuels the generate energy, while the electric motor uses the electrical energy and the magnetic field. And presentation it will explore those differences, examining the principal types energy source efficiency, evaluating impact and the application. The, the main goal of this presentation is to define and differential the basic principles of the engine and electric motors. The achievement this we have several aspects objectives. First, to identify the typics and the energy source was the BH. Second, to compare the efficiency environment impact nouns levels the emitted negatives and the dirt to examine real all the application of both energy and the motor electric motor. let's binge let's begin the belocking the engine. An engine is mechanic that converts energy from fluid into mechanical energy, thereby creating motion. Energy engineering can run on various fuels including gasoline, diesel, biofuels, and the natural gas, depending on the destiny. In thermodynamic terms, engineers are often referred to as head engine which produce microscopic motion from height. This is the diagram illustrates the case. The part of the typical engine includes the cylinder, block, cylinder, head, piston, and the crankshaft shaft, among of the internal combustion engine of common used in vehicles like car bodies and the airplanes. In this engine fuel is a magnetic inside the engine, and the expansion gases generate or work be moving the piston. Common the most common tip this is reciprocating engine which uses the up and down motion of the piston to convert the passer into rated motion. State engine, the steering and the steering engine are example of all reciprocating engine. Another typic is the rotated engine, which uses a rotating triangle rotor is instead of pistons. Internal combustion engine can be for fourth class fuel. B. The fuel they use the gasoline engine with use the spark boost to ignite the air fuel mixture, and the diesel engine will ignite the mixture through compression. In contrast to internal combustion engine and external combustion combustion engine have have a variety sources separate from the fluid that does the earth. Example of external combustion engine include those also the in coal-fired power plants, natural gas power plants, and the steam locomotives. No, no, let's turn of the app attention the electric motors, and the electric motors is a device that converts electrical power and mechanical energy into mechanical energy. It is operated on the principle of the magnetism. There's magnetic fields created by moving electric charge, and like magnetic poles repel each other. This image shows the mass parties and the electric motor, including the stator, commutation, and the pushes. Electric motors can divide in the seven types. Alternating current as motors, which is the connected to an AC power supply, and they are commonly used in industry. Directed current DC motors, which require a DC power source, and are used in electric cars and the portable electronics, and the universal motors, which the operating on other asset on DC power. The working principle of the electric motor relies of magnetic forces, attraction and the repulsion between magnetic fields creates the torque moment that starts the rotated current parts of the electric motor, including that start the stator, which is the stator's part. It is produces a magnetic field. The rotor, which is the rotating part, is starts with the magnetic field to producing torque. The commutator in DC motor will reserve the current insulated continuous rotor pushes DC motor conducting current to the commutation bearing support the rotor, and the shaft transforms mechanical energy. The farm or housing encloses and protects the motor. The motor. Electric motors are used in with variety of application are 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 for example induction Induction motors are used in serving fans and the washing machines. Sino, Synoros, Synchronous motors are found in electric clocks and the environment systems. Pushed DC motors power towards the end the car winds its pitch to ADS motors are used in drones and electric scooters. Servo motors servo motors are used in robot arms and the step step motors are used in 3D print. Print universal motors and vacuum clearance and power tools and the linear motors are used in maglev trains. The summaries, summaries. Let's look at the car differences between engineer and electric motors. Engineer uses the mechanical energy from fuel, while the electric motors use the electric energy. Energy convert energy down combustion, while the motors use electromagnetic energy. Engines wait for me so engine use mechanical chemical energy from fuel, wheel electric motors use electric energy. Engine convert the energy through combustion, with motors use electromagnetic. Engine 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 have a low efficiency. The efficiency compared 20% 25 feet 30% compared to electric motors. The 28 no engine produces emission, with the electric motors produces no emission. The wind produces be clean electric engineer aware generally most the require a maintenance that the electric motor engineer are used in vehicles and the generation with electric motors power application making and the robots. In conclusion, both engine and the electric motors are essential for modern like it, but they often significantly in their operation and the impact the engine. They are powerful, and the with the other special and transportation, but they having drawback like emission and the lower efficiency. Electric motors offer a clean, more efficient electric alternative, and there was is growing as we move towards moving sustainable energy solution. Thank you for your time.